Namaste, this is Konati Suresh from Andhra Pradesh. I started to prepare digital content from the year 2005 onwards. I shared videos, documentaries, PowerPoints, PDF files, question papers, model papers, online quizzes, all these prepared and I uploaded to the website gurudeva.com. That gurudeva.com was started in the year 2009. Till today, it is benefited nearly 20 lakh teachers and students both in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I have prepared video lessons, documentaries, interviews, and these videos were uploaded in YouTube, and that YouTube channel got 4,000 subscribers, nearly 16 lakh viewers, 42,000 hours watched my e-content. I have been working as a content creator and content reviewer for Diksha portal. I am the crew member in the establishment of Apex, which was subjects forum. It was started by Department of School Education, Andhra Pradesh. I started a digital theater for the students in JP Boys High School, Srikalahasti. Old students helped me. They helped 2 lakh rupees. It is comfortably 200 students can sit and watch video content. I started a digital lab with the help of old students. 11 computers were installed e-content. All the students enjoyed a lot. My video contents, documentaries, PowerPoints were taken by the Pravinya Foundation. It is a voluntary organization established in Telangana in Hyderabad. They created interactive videos and they inserted those videos in learning management system MOOCs platform. They spread this e-content to the 2,500 schools. They gave training to the 10,000 teachers. It is directly benefited to the 5 lakh students both in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. In my subject, every year I got 100% result. Nearly 60% of the students got 10 by 10 GPA. I participated so many programs like Swachh Bharat, tree plantation, Badikosta, night vision, abolition of child marriages, abolition of dropouts, like that. I am the textbook writer of APSCRT. I wrote 6th to 9th classes textbooks both in Telugu medium and English medium. I am the textbook writer of Andhra Pradesh Open School Society. I prepared interactive radio instructions for the 6th to 8th class students for Rajiv Vidya Mission. I prepared audio lessons in MP3 format, all the chapters in geography, history, economics, civics, like that, and GK also. So these audio files were uploaded in gurudeva.com. So many blind students and unemployed students were downloaded and they benefited a lot. During COVID lockdown, I have conducted online YouTube live classes. Each and every class were joined by 5 to 10,000 students. I am the active member in the establishment of Andhra Pradesh Social Studies Forum. Nearly 7,000 teachers, social teachers were joined in the WhatsApp groups of social forum. We are discussing so many events, concepts about social studies, contemporary issues, social issues in the forum. We conduct debates, discussions, mock assemblies, mock parliaments, mock SARCs, like that. I prepared 4 Android apps like Social Studies of AP, Indian Constitution, GK, and Indian Relief Features. So it was downloaded and installed by so many students. I wrote educational articles, nearly 250 in the Sakshi Daily, which is published in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I wrote nearly 6 modules to give training to the social studies teachers in Andhra Pradesh. I participated in Mana TV live training programs to give trainings in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I have been working as a state resource person and district resource person. I prepared Mahasankalpam, Sankalpam material for our district officials.
Hi my dear colleagues, I am Chandrasekhar, Headmaster, JP High School Varandu of Srikalasam Mandal, where my colleague Suresh, school assistant social is working. We working together from since 2017 from till to now, where he developed his digital content and ICT lab, everything there with public contribution. He developed 11 systems, the classroom content and everything started development started from there. There he prepared lessons in YouTube and interactive classes with virtual classrooms in the boys high school. I would say that Mr. Suresh, he is one of the members who developed the books, the textbooks for the SCRT, that is for AP government schools. So in textbook writing, he often uses to go to Amravati in developing the textbooks every time for development of questionnaire or assessment of the lessons, and the content development and question paper development and suggestions and interaction with the orientation classes. Overall the state, he developed good content in social regarding ICT lab. That means digitalization of content of social studies. Using his digitalization of his total subject prepared by himself, he trained our students very well and got the good results since 2017 when he joined here. Out of 100% results, 50% of the results get the students get 10 out of 10 points. Seeing all these, our school strength is also improved very well, and other than our catchment area, most of the students came here and joined, seeing all these efforts made by the Suresh. Parallelly, he prepared, every student prepared themselves a record, that means project works on specific topics, that is which are useful to the society. That means on pollution, on environment, on pollution something, road safety, like that. On those contents they prepared project works and prepared their own books, notebooks. Those are very seems to be very interesting and happy to see their own books to with them. That is very interesting in his subject.
I am Asha Devi. I am studying 9th class in JP High School, Urandur. Our social teacher is Suresh sir. Our sir teaches every lesson by the help of projector and laptop. It is very easy to understand and we remember the topics for a long time. We covered the solar system, latitudes, longitudes, etc. We got good understanding by these topics. Through the Diksha app, we can understand, we scan the QR codes which are given in the textbooks. It is also very interesting and we never forget the topics which are watched by the digital content. So we are also very thankful to Suresh sir. Thank you.
I am Choshita. I am studying 9th class. Our social teacher is Suresh sir. Suresh sir explains every lesson with the help of projector and laptops. It is easy to understand. We remember it for a long time.
సార్ మాకు ప్రతి ఒక్క పాఠాన్ని ప్రొజెక్టర్ మరియు ల్యాప్టాప్లో చూపిస్తారు. దీక్ష యాప్ ద్వారా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ఉన్న క్యూఆర్ కోడ్స్ను స్కాన్ చేసి చూస్తాము. యాప్ ద్వారా కూడా మాకు చాలా బాగా గుర్తుంటాయి. సార్ మాకు ప్రాజెక్టులు ఇచ్చి ఐసిటి టూల్స్ ద్వారా ప్రదర్శించమంటారు. ఈ ప్రాజెక్టులు చేయడానికి మాకు చాలా ఉత్సాహంగా ఉంటుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Namaste, my name is Shyam Umesh. I am studying 9th class in JPH School in Urandur. Our social teacher Suresh sir explained the lessons with the help of digital classrooms such as map animations, NASA, Mars orbiter mission and so on. He said some interesting topics such as journey to the moon, Mars orbiter mission, how the Himalayas had been formed, road safety measures and so on. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is K. Rohit. I am studying 9th class in JPHS Urandur. Our social teacher Suresh sir explained lessons to the digital platform. Example, the Apollo 13 mission, Chandrayaan, the lifestyle of Eskimos. I have watched it through digital platform. It is very good content. I have watched it 2 years back. Now also I can explain and remember. That is the power of digital content. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Shanti, working as a biological science teacher in JPHS Urandur. Mr. Kunati Suresh sir Garu is our colleague. He has prepared interactive radio instructions for 6th to 8th class students in social studies for Rajiv Vidya Mission. Those lessons are relayed in All India Radio. During lockdown period, he conducted online classes for social students through the YouTube by using the ICT tools like Zoom, OBS, etc. In that period, nearly 5,000 to 10,000 students were watched these classes.
Hi, I am AP Himabindu, junior assistant working in JP High School Urandur. My colleague Kunati Suresh Garu is also working in JP High School Urandur as school assistant social studies. He started a lab, digital lab in JP High School Boys Srikalahasti. It is the first digital lab in Andhra Pradesh in government sector. He wrote a lot of textbooks in social studies, both mediums for 6th to 10th classes. He also worked as Epic's website creations also. We are very proud to work with Kunati Suresh Garu, who won the national award. Thank you.
Hi, our social teacher Suresh sir was inspired many students and teachers. I am also one of them. I inspired by his website, that is gurudeva.com. Even though I am a science teacher, I am following his website since 2009. In this website, he uploaded so many videos like online classes, video lessons, quiz, map pointing, PDF, PowerPoint presentation, teachers modules and also like that. Nearly 20 lakh viewers are visited his website and downloaded the material. I am very proud to work with Suresh sir in same school as a physical science teacher. Thank you.
Good morning all, this is Harshit. I am studying 7th class English medium. My school name is JP High School Urandur. My social sir name is Suresh sir. He teaches well and he takes classes in digital TV. It is much better and clear because we can understand it and it's interesting. He also shows other documentary from YouTube or other websites. it's better and much clear, and we are able to understand it. It's nice, so we completed the chapter, and it's much effective than Blackboard because it's more interesting and we are able to understand it.
Namaste, I am Ramesh, colleague of Mr. Kunati Suresh. We like him because he inspired the students to build moral values, national integrity, religious unity to become a good citizen of India. He gave more information about any concept that is beyond textbook. It is very useful to students in their future. He teaches in good teaching methods and TLMs like videos, animations, PPTs, group discussions, mock assemblies and field trips. By this, students can understand very difficult concepts without any difficulty. In one word, he is the resource of social sciences in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, that is in Telugu states, both teachers and students. Thank you.
Hi, this is Murali, teacher in English. It is very fortunate for me to work as a contemporary to Mr. Kunati Suresh sir, who is working as school assistant social. Such a great teacher. When I observe him, he always indulging with the students or works on computer to create new technology in teaching social studies. I think he is the pioneer of creating new technology teaching social studies. Thousands of teachers and students in both states, in Telugu states, are following his Gurudeva.com website and YouTube channel. It is a boon for our Telugu students. Besides teaching social studies, he inspired a lot of students.
Namaste, I am Varalakshmi, school assistant English, working at JP High School, Sri Kalahasti Mandal, Chittoor district. He used ICT tools for preparing video lessons on his subject social studies. He is very active person in our school, and also he giving his services to social activities. He is giving inspiration to other teachers also. He participated in Badi Costa.
నా పేరు వసుంధర. నేను జెడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ ఊరందూరు పాఠశాలందు బయాలజీ టీచర్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. సురేష్ సార్ గారు 2017 నుంచి ఇక్కడ మాతో పాటు సహా ఉపాధ్యాయుడిగా పనిచేస్తున్నారు. సారు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ నందు దాదాపు 3800 సబ్స్క్రైబర్లతో 6,74,000 వీక్షకులతో 42,000 గంటలు యూట్యూబ్లో తన వీడియోలను భారతదేశమంతా వివిధ అనేక రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఉపాధ్యాయులు విద్యార్థులను కూడా చూడడం జరిగింది. ప్రభుత్వం వారు విద్యార్థుల కొరకు ప్రవేశపెట్టిన దీక్ష పోర్టల్లో సార్ అనేక వీడియోలను చేసి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తుంటారు. విద్యార్థులకు QR కోడ్స్ను స్కాన్ చేసి చూపిస్తుంటారు. విద్యార్థులు కూడా ఓన్గా QR కోడ్స్ను స్కాన్ చేసి చూసుకునే విధంగా కూడా ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటారు. విద్యార్థులకి ఆ QR కోడ్ తయారు చేసే టీంలో కూడా సార్ మెంబర్గా ఉన్నారు. ఇంకా దీక్ష పోర్టల్లో సారు కంటెంట్ రివ్యూవర్గా కూడా తమ సేవలను అందిస్తూ ఉంటారు.
हमारी पाठशाला सोशल अध्यापक सूरज जी प्रमुख पाठ्य पुस्तक के लेखक हैं. प्रोजेक्टर में चित्रमाला के द्वारा विषय बच्चों को अध्ययन किया गया है. इसके द्वारा बच्चों को विषय बहुत याद रखते हैं. अंधे विद्यार्थियों के लिए नौकरी ढूंढने वालों के लिए ऑडियो सामग्री को MP3 फॉर्मेट के द्वारा रिकॉर्ड करके वेबसाइट में रखा गया। शास्त्र, चरित्र, अर्थशास्त्र, पौरशास्त्र, सामान्य ज्ञान आदि विषयों को रिकॉर्ड करके gurudev.com वेबसाइट में रख गया। ये सब 1000 लोगों को डाउनलोड करके उपयोग कर रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।
నా పేరు శ్రీనివాసులు. నేను జిల్లా పరిషత్ ఉన్నత పాఠశాల ఊరందూరు నందు గణిత శాస్త్ర ఉపాధ్యాయునిగా పనిచేయుచున్నాను. వారు దాదాపు 20 సంవత్సరాల నుండి బోధనలో కంప్యూటర్ పరిజ్ఞానాన్ని జోడించి డిజిటల్ కంటెంట్ను తయారు చేసి తద్వారా బోధన అభ్యసన కార్యక్రమాలను నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. అంతేకాకుండా వారు తయారు చేసిన డిజిటల్ కంటెంట్ను యూట్యూబ్, వాట్సాప్ మొదలైన మాధ్యమాల ద్వారా తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్రాలలోని దాదాపు 20 లక్షల మంది విద్యార్థులు ఉపయోగించుకొని లబ్ధి పొందడం జరిగింది. వారు తయారు చేసిన వీడియోలను ఉపయోగించి చాలా మంది ఉపాధ్యాయులు పాఠ్యాంశ బోధన చేస్తున్నారు. స్టేట్ రిసోర్స్ పర్సన్గా, పాఠ్యపుస్తక రచయితగా, దీక్షా కంటెంట్ క్రియేటర్, రివ్యూయర్గా వారు విద్యారంగానికి ఎనలేని కృషి చేశారు. పాఠశాల కార్యక్రమాల్లో చురుగ్గా పాల్గొంటూ వెనకబడిన పిల్లలకు, అదేవిధంగా బయట పిల్లలను మెరుగుపరిచేందుకు బడిబాట, నైట్ విజన్ వంటి కార్యక్రమాలను నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. అదేవిధంగా సామాజికంగా, ఆర్థికంగా వెనుకబడిన విద్యార్థులకు చేయూతను అందిస్తున్నారు. సామాజిక కార్యక్రమాలైనటువంటి బాల్య వివాహాల రద్దు, అదేవిధంగా స్వచ్ఛ భారత్ వంటి సామాజిక సేవా కార్యక్రమాల ర్యాలీలలో పాల్గొన్నారు. వారు కృషి ఇతర ఉపాధ్యాయులకు ఆదర్శనీయం.